And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. It's the Cool Mist type. We'll have a bit of a look at the box. As you can see, very plain box, which is fine. On the end we have got specifications, product name, which is, well, ultrasonic humidifier, model number, which is LCD JSQ-J19. Related voltage is 100 to 240 volts. Rated frequency is 50 to 60 Hertz. Rated power is 50 watts. Tank capacity 16 litres. Maximum mist output is 1000 millilitres per hour. And, well, one in the box. And we've got the packing size, which is 685 by 282 by 285 millimetre. So that's it. Let's open this thing up and see what is in it. Now let's have a look and see what's in here, shall we? Well, that comes out. Okay. We've got a hose in there. That's it. Okay, let's pop that all. And if you want to add essential oils, you just press, out it pops. Make certain you put a little bit of, and you put a piece of sponge or tissue paper in here. Never ever add the oil direct to the machine itself, just in that little tray there, and then push it back in, and you're ready to go. And this is what came in the box. We have the instruction guide, and we have a sponge. And that's for cleaning down the actual humidifier itself. This is the instruction manual. If there's anything of interest, just simply pause the video and you can have a bit of a read. And that's it. Now there's multiple ways to fill the water tank. One is just simply pour water anywhere around the top. You can remove that if you prefer. You can pour water in through there. You can lift this bit up here, pour water in there, or simply lift up this and put water direct into the tank below. So you've got a few different ways of filling it. Each of them will do the job nicely. Now, when positioning the humidifier in any room, you need to be 1/2 metre off the walls, or 20 inches, whichever you prefer. The humidifier is fully functioning, and we're pumping out some nice cool mist at the moment. We have 66% of relative humidity. We're I'll wait for it to kick over. We've got 18, 19 degrees Celsius. Over on the side here, if I press that button, you'll notice the numbers change. We're now on the second speed, 3 and turbo. So you've got 4 different speeds. This side, we've got a timer. So you can see we've got 1 hour at the moment set. It goes right through to 12. So you can preset it for 12 hours. It'll turn itself off. The other side down the bottom here, we've got the humidity levels, so you can actually adjust to whatever level you prefer. And as you can see, it's increasing at 5% right up to 90, and then it resets. We've got down the bottom here ultraviolet, and that's the ultraviolet light inside. So that's well, it kills the germs. So the light's turned on, killing out all the germs that are in the actual reserve that is being pumped up into the air, which is great. The other side down the bottom here, we've got a sleep mode. So when we press that, it turns off, as you'll see. And we've got this little icon down the bottom here showing, so you don't have that bright light flashing in your face, and you can get some, well, shut-eye, as they say. The remote control works perfectly, and everything is duplicated from the main control itself. So you can see that's working nice. And we got our power levels, timer, sleep, UV. So everything works perfect from the remote control or from the main control panel itself. Now the extension tube itself, as you can see, does push the mist quite nicely into the air. And of course, if this doesn't suit your room, you can simply remove the extension, take the little piece off the top, pop it in, and you can direct the mist to whichever side of the room is more suitable. As you can see, there's quite a lot of mist coming out from the ultrasonic humidifier. It's working extremely well. I've got a simple question. Why use an ultrasonic humidifier in the first place? And what purpose does it serve? I think that's a good question. Now, to answer it, if you sometimes wake up with a dry mouth and start coughing for no reason, it could be there is not enough humidity in the surrounding air. Dry air can wreak havoc on your nose and lungs. It can also make some existing medical conditions worse. Using a humidifier can relieve chronic runny nose, hay fever symptoms, nosebleeds, asthma and allergy flare-ups, sinus congestion, dry throat, that's just to name a few. So setting up an ultrasonic humidifier is your best bet for improving indoor air quality, and it helps prevent some of the discomfort you may be experiencing without having a suitable amount of moisture in the air that you're breathing right now. So make certain that you set your level between 30 to 50% for the best air quality. Up to 60% is also recommended by some of the doctors. Now, my final thoughts on the Yokekon ultrasonic air humidifier. It works flawlessly. Very happy with the unit. Just grab a little thing here called a remote control. It starts. I mean, what more do you want from a machine? You want it to work, and this does exactly that. It works, and it works perfectly. Very happy with it. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter, whatever you feel like. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that too. If you haven't subscribed, consider that as well. I won't say no. Anyway, all the very best till the next video, no matter what it happens to be. I haven't got a clue at the moment. We'll find out together. All the best till then. Take care. Bye.